Hey everyone, I hope your preparations are going on top. Do let me know in the comment section how's everything going on. If there's any topic that you are confused about, or if there's any concept that you want to learn from me, or if you're not getting from where to start, where to end, whatever things are going in your head, whatever queries are going in your head, you can drop it in the comment section. Now, as you already know that we are here with the Desmos guide, full Desmos course. So we are doing topic wise Desmos course so that it gets easy for you to understand, and also when these type of similar questions comes in your SAT, you will understand that oh, this question is from exponential functions, and whenever questions like these comes from exponential functions, I have to use Desmos. And how you have to use Desmos, you will be able to recall if you watch these videos 2 to 3 times and you do hands-on practice. I can assure you, no one can stop you from doing these similar type of questions on Desmos, and you'll be master in Desmos. So let's get started, and this is the first question from exponential function. What is the graph of equation? Whenever equation is given in exponential form and graphs are given, the best way is to plot the graph on Desmos and just compare the graphs. So what I'm gonna do, I'll write this equation on Desmos. Allow me some time, let me write it down and then we'll compare. Okay. We are on a Desmos screen. If I'll talk too much, I'll forget what I have to write. So, excuse me, please. It is x plus 1. Wait, let me see once. Yep, it's x plus 1. Now, if you notice here, it is not allowing me to do that. So, what I'm gonna do, I will write it in brackets. Perfect. You can see the graph, right? You can zoom in a bit. Now I'll compare it with the options given. I can see the y-intercept is at 6. Now I'm gonna check. Here, I think it is not clearly visible to you, but the y-intercept, oh wait, my bad. I always remember to zoom in. Let me see if I missed something. What is the equation of the graph? 4, 3 by 2. Okay. So it is nowhere going 2 steps up. It is nowhere going. All right. I'll see that is it. I already know my y-intercept is 6, and out of these 4 options I can see the y-intercept only in option D because this is 5, right above 5 is 6, so in only option D my y-intercept is 6, and you will get only one option like that. Okay, so that's why I have taken this question from one of my student who did the mock. So he clicked on A, which is confusing, that you might think, oh yeah, it's intersecting 5, but no, it's not intersecting that. Y-intercept is not 5, y-intercept is 6. So I took this question specifically. Many of you will prefer solving this manually, but I would suggest, because it's -1 and raised to the power something, I would always prefer you to use Desmos, or you can use it if you want to do it manually, you can, but try to do it within 30 seconds, and the remaining 30 seconds you can put it on Desmos and verify your answer. Right now I'm going to show you using Desmos. So let's write it down. Q of x, 5 -1 raised to the power x. We can also write f of x instead of q of x, but that's okay because it's a function anyways. Oh, I forgot. See, when I'm talking, I'll forget. -1 raised to the power x. Alright, what we have to find out, we have to find out q of 6, right? Already got the answer. No need to do, you don't even have to check the graph and check the uh, what it will be at x equals to 6, what will be the value of function. You will just write q of 6 and you get the answer. I know these are easy, but many of you will struggle if you are new to SAT. So that's the reason why I'm telling you, because if we are covering doing a full Desmos course, we have to cover all the questions, whether it's easy or difficult. Let's try one more. I think two more are there. The function is defined by f of x equals 2x plus 6. And here we have to find how the graph will look like. Simply plot it f of x 2x plus 3, 2x plus 6. Your graph looks like this. Always try to zoom in, because if you're doing zooming out, you cannot read it properly. You might miss something. So I can see my y-intercept is 6 and my x-intercept is 3, negative 3. Negative 3 and 6. My graph looks like this exactly, right? And this is the only graph which is increasing in nature. Rest are decreasing, right? So option A ultimately will be my answer. Very important, because it covers two concepts. One is the exponential function, second is the transformation. If you have not learned transformation, this is the right place. So this is the right question, I would say, to learn it. Just a second. Yes, let's do it. So here what you have to do, simply they are asking you to find out the graph of this, but you have to find out the y-intercept of this function when this is translated 2 units to the negative direction, x direction. Always remember, I know this is negative x, positive x direction, and this is negative x direction, right? So whenever we have transposing to the going to the left, or we are translating our graph to the left, we always add. For example, here we'll find f of x plus 2. Suppose I would have given this question like, you have to translate the graph, the given function, 2 units to the right. So you would have been finding in that case x minus 2. I hope it makes sense. For up and down, it's very clear. For up, it's positive, and for down is negative because it is decreasing. So for that, it's okay. But you have to be very careful when you're doing translation to the x-axis. Okay, so the same thing you need to do on Desmos. I'll first write down the function and then translate it. Don't do it manually. No need to do any question of transformation manually. Desmos will help you for sure. So I'll write down the function. Raised to the power x. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to translate 2 steps, 2 units to the left side. So basically you have to find x plus 2. Now check the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept, because this is a red graph that you got after translating. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'll zoom in and find the y-intercept. They ask you to find out the y-intercept, right? So y-intercept is 0.14 something. Let me see. Yes. Now the question is that your answer is in fraction. So you will check what is 1 by 7, what 1 by 7 will give you. I'll simply write 1 by 7 and convert, it'll automatically gets converted into decimals, and I'll compare it with the y-intercept. Is it 0.14286? Yes. If you round off this given digit, given number, you will get the same. So that's why your option C is the right answer. I hope you get it. So here we covered two things. If your answer is not matching, it is given in fractions, you know how to convert it into decimals. And whenever any kind of questions given in based on translation, you always have to use Desmos for that. Okay. For today, it's all till here. Let's keep it till here. Do all the questions again. If you face any issue in any of the question, do let me know in the comment section. And if in case you want me to, make you, if you want me to solve any question or any harder question, do you have any questions with you? Do let me know, or you can mail me directly. You have my mail ID. If not, check out the description of this YouTube channel and get it. And also, students are posting their doubts in different portals, different platforms. I'm collecting it and posting it so that I can prepare a video solution for them that will be helpful for the student who has a doubt and the student who doesn't. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.